16-inch circular padder. It is 220 single phase, 50 or 60 hertz, and this is our newer style padder. Has all the controls up here, and comes standard with the call work ports, temperature controller, glue pot timer, so you can have the glue pot come on, say 2 hours before you want to use it, or an hour really. This is your jogger, how much, depending on what you're feeding into the pocket, you can change the jogging. Machine speed, emergency stop, and the machine on-off button are located here. This is showing it with the optional incline conveyor stacking system. It's a two-stage conveyor, and basically speed has one speed control for both conveyors, but inside the box you can change the speed of each conveyor. So this can go a little bit slower to get it on, and then this can go faster and get it out of the way. Second one. Stacking system consists of this roll slack conveyor, and it can be, you can see that this is easy to control, no back pressure. And basically what you do is bring your work up, set this guide for the width of it, and then you set this guide for when it comes out, what it would end up squaring up against here. Here's your counter. Every time a pad passes, it counts it. And part of the control system here is the ability to set your count. Say if you want to batch 25, you want to go 10, 15. As soon as it hits that count, it's going to push it out. So if I was setting this up, then you have a pusher button that you can manually put forward, and then you can set your guide. It doesn't have to be perfect up against, just a nice stack come out, and then it retracts. So now you're ready to go. I've got it set for 5s, and every time 5 come in, it's going to push and accumulate a stack. The roll slack conveyor, you see it's going this way now. You can actually go the other direction if you wanted to. This is a 6-foot length. You can get a 8-foot, 10-foot, 12-foot, whatever. Also, you can have the conveyor come straight out, and so the pad actually goes straight. So this is a cylinder that's doing the pushing, and it has a limit on the forward stroke, a limit on the back stroke. Okay, so you can always come back to wherever and end up wherever you want it to. This is on a slide, so you slide it to center it up. Say if your work was wider, then you'd want to center your cylinder up, and that's all real easy to adjust. Okay, so this is your manual push stack when you're setting up the air cylinder to push. Push on that, it comes forward, emergency stop. This is your batch count. This is what we had set for 5. You can set that for whatever total you want. And this would be the total job count, how many pads you made. This is the speed of the roller slack conveyor, and this is the speed of both incline conveyors.